Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making onion samosas. These samosas are very famous in our Telugu state streets and are one of the best samosas you will ever taste. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please share this video as it helps to grow our channel. Let's start by making the wraps first. In a bowl, I have taken half cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything well. You can make these wraps entirely with whole wheat flour or entirely with all-purpose flour too. Now add water little by little to make a soft dough. The dough should not be too damp or too dry. After making the dough, knead the dough for a minute. Rub some oil on the top surface of the dough. Cover and keep this aside for 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare our stuffing. For stuffing, here I have half cup of onions that are cut into thin and long slices, half cup of flattened rice or poha, 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala. Give this a good mix and keep this aside. After 20 minutes, our dough has rested well. Now knead the dough for a minute. Divide the dough into rough equal parts. Let's start making the wraps from this dough. Dust some flour on the work surface. Pinch out a small lemon-sized portion of the dough. Smooth it out with your palms and start rolling it with a rolling pin into a thin disc or just as you make puris. Roll out the wraps as thin as you can. After you are done rolling out the wraps, dust off the excess flour. Prepare all the wraps in the same way. You can make these wraps ahead and freeze them for up to 2 months. These samosas are most students' lifesaver. I remember having them in the break time with all my friends during my college days. Okay, after making all the wraps, we have to heat a tawa on medium flame and cook each for not more than 1 minute. The wrap should be still raw after you have taken it out of the tawa. Cook and prepare each wrap in the same way. As I was saying, this used to be our break time staple during our college days. Damn, I miss those days. Comment down below what is your favorite break time snack with your friends. Okay, now I have prepared all the wraps. Simply cut these wraps into halves. Use a pizza cutter so that the cut will be clean. Cut all the wraps. Here I have cut all the wraps. At this stage, you can freeze these wraps. Now I am simply making samosas of all these wraps. Here I am using all-purpose flour slurry as an adhesive. Prepare cones from the wraps like I am showing you. To make all-purpose flour slurry or maida paste, mix in 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour with 1 tablespoon of water and keep this aside. Place a spoonful of stuffing in the cone and now use the maida paste or all-purpose flour slurry to seal the samosa. These samosas are smaller in size compared to the regular samosas and they taste really good. You need not cook the stuffing before making these samosas. Take 1/2 of the wrap and make a cone of this wrap. Use maida paste as adhesive to hold the shape of the wrap. Now place a spoonful of stuffing into the cone. Tuck the stuffing neatly into the cone. Use the maida paste as adhesive to seal off the samosa. Prepare all the samosas in the same way. We'll be double frying these samosas. After making all these samosas, drop them into medium hot oil. The oil should not be very hot for this step. We are simply boiling the samosas in the oil. With this step, our stuffing inside the samosas will get nicely fried. Fry these samosas on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep turning them to fry them evenly from all the sides. After 5 minutes, take out these samosas and drain off the excess oil in a strainer or on a tissue paper. Fry all the samosas in the same way for 5 to 6 minutes in medium hot oil. The samosas should be 60% cooked after you have fried them for the first time. After frying all the samosas one time, now is the time to increase the flame and flash fry these samosas. In very hot oil, place the samosas, turn them around to cook them evenly from all the sides. Take them out when they have turned golden brown in color. This will take not more than 2 to 3 minutes. First time frying is to cook the stuffing, and second time flash frying is to get nice and crispy wraps of the samosas. Flash fry all the remaining samosas in the same way. Serve these samosas hot and enjoy. Do try this recipe at home and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.